Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best windshield covers on Amazon. During the winter, you need to protect both you and your car from the cold weather. One area you need to cover during such periods is your vehicle's windshield. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Oxguard All-Weather Windshield Cover. A windshield cover is a simple but very important car accessory. In cold weather, it prevents ice and snow from accumulating on the windshield. This means you don't have to scrape snow from your windshield in freezing temperatures every morning. If you're in the market for a windshield cover, we recommend the Oxguard Windshield Snow Cover. It has a thermal shield and protects your windshield from frost. The thermal shield traps heat and ensures your windshield stays clean and clear. This windshield cover will keep ice and snow at bay, even in harsh weather. It is ideal for all seasons and provides full windshield coverage. It fits most SUVs, vans, and small cars. The cover is made of 600D polyester and will protect your windshield from a variety of weather elements. It is very easy to install and you don't need any tools. Number 2. FrostGuard Vortex Windshield Cover for Ice and Snow. The FrostGuard Vortex is a full-coverage car windshield cover that protects your car from ice and snow buildup. It's made of durable materials and designed to fit trucks and SUVs. The cover includes a wiper blade cover and side mirror covers to protect these areas from ice and snow as well. The cover also comes with fit-fast straps, security panels, and a storage pouch for easy use and storage. The FrostGuard Vortex provides full coverage for your car's windshield, wiper blades, and side mirrors. This means you won't have to spend time scraping ice and snow off these areas, which can save you time and frustration on cold winter mornings. The cover includes fit-fast straps that attach to your car's side mirrors and hold the cover securely in place. The cover also includes security panels that help prevent theft and a storage pouch for easy storage. Number 3. Markson Universal Fit Windshield Snow Cover. When it is freezing, the last thing you feel like doing is going outdoors. And if you have to clean your windshield before getting in your car, you may even decide not to go where you're supposed to go. A windshield cover ensures you don't scrape the windshield every time you need to drive your car. The Markson Universal Fit Windshield Snow Cover protects the front window of all vehicles. It measures 60 into 90 inches. Markson understands that the material is one of the important things people look at when buying a windshield cover, as it determines the cover's lifespan. That's why the company has used heavy-duty PVA fabric to make the Markson Universal Fit Windshield Snow Cover. Its outer cover is made of aluminum laminated fabric, and it features a soft microfiber cotton backing. The manufacturer also provides side view mirror covers. Number 4. Chanvi Windshield Snow Ice Covers Extra Large. The Windshield Snow Ice Cover is an extra-large cover that protects your car's windshield from snow, ice, and sun. The cover is designed to fit all cars, trucks, SUVs, and MPVs, with its universal size of 97x63. The cover is made of waterproof and durable material to withstand harsh winter weather conditions. It is easy to install and remove, and it comes with a storage pouch for easy storage. The cover is made of high-quality waterproof and durable material that can withstand harsh winter weather conditions. This ensures that your car's windshield is protected from the elements and will last for many winters to come. But while the cover is designed to fit all cars, trucks, SUVs, and MPVs, it may not fit all vehicles perfectly. If you have an unusual windshield shape or size, the cover may not fit properly. Number 5. Hui Car Windshield Sunshade. This car windshield sunshade is a reflective sunshade that fits most cars, vans, and SUVs, with its universal size of 62 into 48. The shade is made of high-quality reflective fabric that blocks harmful UV rays and sun heat from entering your car. It is easy to install and remove and comes with a storage pouch for easy storage. The car windshield sunshade is made of high-quality reflective fabric that blocks harmful UV rays and sun heat from entering your car. This keeps your car cool and protected from sun damage. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.